Here's how to draw a circle using a circle template. Using the T-square, trace the horizontal center line of the circle. Using the T-square and a square, trace the vertical center line of the circle. These lines must be thin and dashed. The intersection of the two center lines corresponds to the center of the circle. Choose the template that corresponds to the diameter of the circle you want to draw. Place the circle template on the sheet of paper, aligning the center lines of the circle with the axes of symmetry of the template. Hold the template in place and gently trace the circle following the template with a pencil. This is how you draw a circle using a circle template.